Hey champions, and welcome back to another episode of Snacky Snack Adventures. Today we're going to show you the Easy Hangi. The Easy Hangi is a great way to make Hangi tasting food at home in a very simple step and only 40 minutes of cook time. Maybe 10 minutes of prep time, but 40 minutes of cook time, then you have a Hangi within an hour. Now, naturally, everyone knows that the Hangi is cooked in the ground with hot rocks, the food in baskets and the wet sacks over top, covered in earth for quite a long time. It can take a morning prep. By the time you cook throughout the day, it's ready in the evening, afternoon. But you've also got to prep all the food the day before. But with this Easy Hangi, we can do it in 10 minutes, then cook it for 40 minutes, and then we're eating within the hour. So here it is, the Easy Hangi, ordered online. The link will be down below. But a big shout out to the bro Toshi Bruning. He put us onto this, and we got one pot and we tried it, and it was delicious. You might think, does it really taste like Hangi? Well, I'm telling you it does. So we ordered another pot and it came really quick in the post, of course. Comes with, here we go. Let's get it out of the box. Oh, it's just like a massive boil-up pot. It's pretty cool. Comes with lid, and I like the lid because it's see-through. People tend to want to have a look all the time, and if you're looking, it's not cooking, you're letting the heat out. So there you go, it's see-through. We'll get rid of that, and then it comes with these little hooks that help you get the baskets out, because it comes with two of these baskets. Like that. And then inside the baskets, I ordered some extra packs. So you got these Hangi tablets in there. It's Hangi flavour. It's what you use to give that smoky flavour type. Please don't try and taste it and eat it. It doesn't mean that your breath is going to taste like Hangi. It's not how it works. I guess it's only used for the pot. I know some people would go, oh, I wonder what it tastes like. But no, use it as it's intended. So it comes with that. It even came with a scrubbing cloth, but yeah, we make no mess, so it doesn't bother me. Yeah, so these are pretty good for when it's really, really hot and steamy when you're bringing it out. I'll show you later on, once we've got the food, then you can lift it out and you're not getting burnt. So pretty good safety feature that they have there. So yeah, we'll get into the prep work, show you what we're going to cook, and then go from there. Okay, so what are we going to cook? We've got some potatoes, some sweet potato, pumpkin, everyone loves pumpkin, some cabbage. I use the cabbage to line the bottom of my basket as well, on the bottom with the meat, because I like that flavour through it. We've got some pork sausages, some chicken, everyone loves chicken, and then we've got some pork ribs as well to go in there, just some chunky bits of pork. It is supposed to feed six big Marys. I'm not too sure, but it can make a lot of food in there. It's quite big and bulky. I've seen people try and get 2 pots and make a big feast, and they have a lot left over. Just with the 3 of us here at home, Miss Lisa, myself and Blade, this is enough, and we'll still have leftovers. But we can't forget my nan's secret recipe on the stuffing, or the stuffing from the shop. We mix that up, and that can go in on top as well. So you've got to have stuffing when you have Hangi. So we'll go through the prep and get it all ready, and then show you how we put it together, and then put it on the oven for the first 10-minute cook, and then 30 minutes after that. Let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I've done the veggies. I've layered them just like that, pretty simple, straightforward. You've got your cabbage, your kumara, pumpkin and potatoes, and then just with the meat, I've put in the pork, the chicken legs and some of the sausage, and I've put the cabbage underneath. The reason I did that is because when it's on high heat and the smoke's coming up through, there might be quite a bit of heat, so I like the cabbage there to absorb that heat, and then you get the flavour. So there you go. We'll get that into the pot and we'll show you how that works. So I'll pop that over there. We'll fix that up later. we need to make the stuffing. So for our stuffing we'll need some water. One and a half cups and some aluminium foil. Oh, wouldn't you believe it? Always, whenever you want it, down to the last lot. I will give it a go. That should be enough for us anyway. I knew I should have got a new one today. This is Nan's secret recipe. Not really. I like to use my hands when I'm mixing for the breadcrumbs, because then you don't want it too icky. Or else it ends up being too soggy, and then if it's too soggy then it's too dry, blah blah blah. Just like the Three Bears, mate, you like it just right. Let's give that a go, eh? Whoa, slaved over this hot stove all day. Yep, so we've got our stuffing there. Let's make it all nice and flat. We can do the dishes while we're waiting. Fold that one over. And they reckon the magic trick is to do the old fork poke in the top. Obviously let the steam in. We can do that. And that sits on top there. So it's pretty straightforward. We'll come back and put the tablets in and get it cooking. Right, now we're going to put this all together. So we have our meats in the bottom there. As you can see, we've got all our vegetables, our Nan's secret recipe for the stuffing, and now for the two magic Hangi tablets. I'll show you what they look like. Please don't try and taste them. They come in this really sealed pack. So sealed I've torn it apart and I still can't get it open, but we'll give it a go. Oh bro. Let's use the scissors, eh? That'd be the easy way. There we go. Works every time. So you'll see these. It just looks like jerky. It smells like Hangi, but I'm not going to taste it to see if it tastes like Hangi. So that goes at the bottom of the Easy Hangi pot. There's no water at the moment, so it's just the tablets by themselves. And then with your baskets, put your meat in. So try not to drop it down, it all falls in on each other. And then you'll get the other baskets will sit on top. So as you can see, it sits in fine. And then with that lid, make sure that lid seals. If not, give it a bit of a shuffle around. Look at that, perfect. So we'll go and put the stove on high, so we'll just start it up. Boom. Oh. Rightio. So for 10 minutes, the time now is 20 past 6. So I guess at 6:30 or 18:30, you come and add the water. So pop the pot on. She's on high, and then you'll start seeing her smoking. So 10 minutes on the old timer, and we'll take it from there. Righto, just waiting for the 10 minutes to be up. I'll put my kettle on. So after it's been on for 10 minutes just with the tablets alone, that creates a smokiness. I've preheated the kettle. They say 1.5 litres or 5 cups of hot water. All you do is just pour it straight in. It's that simple. Can't get any easier than that. Come on. Oh, it smells good. So let's pour, oh yummy. Let's pour the water in. So you just leave the tablets in, keep pouring the water. Obviously you're not drowning your meat, so it needs to be 5 cups exactly. You can hear that bubbling. The smell is just amazing. So that's our 10 minutes on the steam just with the tablets alone, and then we've got to set it for the last 30 minutes, which is the 30 minutes with the water in it for the steam. So you can hear it bubbling away. Obviously the water only goes to a certain height, it's not covering your meat, but you can hear it bubbling away. The pot was really hot. It says on high element, whether it's gas or electricity. We've always had gas and we've had no issues with it. So we'll be back in 30 minutes and it'll be time to eat. Hangi is done. Right, let's get it off the cooker. Turn off the gas. Let's use a tea towel so we don't burn ourselves. Oh. There we go. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Woo. Spud check. Oh. Oh. Rightio, so let's use our little Hangi hooks. Make sure you get a good grab. Pop that there like that. Beautiful. Steaming up here. There we go. Pop that over here. Right, ready to serve. Ta-ta-la. So as you can see, everything's all nicely cooked and delicious. Time to serve up, I guess. Yeah. Where is those magic tongs I had? Stuffing. Oh, delicious. Delicious. Some pork, chicken, and sausage. Chicken, sausage, pork. I'll have a little bit of pork, sausage. Okay, veggies, pretty standard. You can Have to your heart's desired, I guess. But yeah, cooked very well. Played a little bit of veggies. Not a big veggie eater, but I like to put them in there. Bit of cabbage. Some veggies for me. I like my cabbage. Kelmer.
Well, there you have it, the 40-minute Hangi from Easy Hangi. Thanks for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you next time on Snacky Snack Adventures.